Stand up, but which power we come? We don't know what's scheming of a dog.
Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs, cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Greetings and blessings, my viewers and subscribers. So, my viewers and my subscribers, I don't know, say, a little video footage was sent to my people. And this was caught on a dash cam somewhere in Jamaica, my people, recently. Can't tell you the exact date when it do occur, but recently, my people. And this is for two thieves, two crooks who managed to steal a car, my viewers and subscribers, and were trying to make their getaway. But during this getaway, my people, little didn't they know that everything was being recorded, my people, on a dash cam. In the end, they do manage to figure it out after the video end, my people. But they were all caught on this camera already. See? And by listening to one of them, my people, you can't see them scared. You can't see them wild, them a rush. Yes, them do have them crew, my people. They do have their gang, basically, because be a connection, be a phone call and make my people. You understand? They even have a pillion who them a work with and thing who go lead them to a location. But I can't say they are all cowards. I can't say they are all fools, my people. Seeing because they were caught live on this dash cam. So just check out this little footage, my people, from this thing that occurred, my viewers and subscribers, and then I get back to you. Just look at this.
Which side? Back in the because lead the road, my youth.
Yo, lead
the road, no bad dog. Yo, we are coming on our roads here. Stand up, but which power we come? We don't know what's scheming of a dog. Yo, just storm move, brother. Come, brother. Brother, that's not.
Some my viewers and my subscribers, as I'm telling you, you see how them smart? You see how them smart? Radam, them salt natty, them bad lucky natty, but I'm not salt them salt. You know what I mean? They fool them for fool, man. Left people care, man. I know hard people have to work sometimes for buy a local machine. You know, people save them hard dollars, them hard earning so much partner them going up. Some of them still have the loan of your pay to credit union and this and that. And the one local carry then comes up with to make local life with the no money to take it from them. No man, some are not too cruel, man. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, and a straight attack for Uno. Some are not too cruel and wicked. When not move these things, Uno not heart enough. When you see 100 carry over there in the rich man yard, in the rich man place, but what? Him full of lives of peace, him having money, Uno nah go trouble him, Uno afraid. But you look a poor man on there, so we save and buy him one little piece of machine, look AD wagon or a little piece of something, look failure. You manage to thief it and take it and go scrap it down and break it down. Man have him pitney them for feed, man have him family for feed. No man. Some are too wicked. Some are too cruel. So whatever happened to you, on a real level, the attacking boss not sorry for you. You understand? Me not sorry for you. On a real level, a straight attack man. Left people things. As I say, some are too wicked, some are too cruel. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, man. Left people things alone. See, it's not a good look, man. Left people things. As I say, too thief, too cruel, too wicked. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Some people, big up on yourself, more love, more blessings, more respect, and thanks to the love, thanks to the support, the like, the share, and every comments. Remember, please follow me on Instagram, on Twitter, and Facebook, NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss. And remember, my people, if you don't subscribe already, please do subscribe now and hit that notification bell so as I drop a video, you'll get them. Don't know, one team, one dream, one scheme. For the thief, them attack.